Hi, families and rising star. It's Mr. Marks here, your third grade teacher. I'm here to show you how to log on to the source so you can find out your child's report card. So now I'm going to do this at the same time to learn as how to do it as a parent. So hopefully I can teach you just as we learn, spur of the moment. So let me go ahead and start off by going to the Seattle website, Seattle School District website. Here we are, seattleschools.org. I'm going to go to Family and the source. Now there you have a login here, and I have that already. But I'm going to go to Login Trouble because it'll tell you step by step what to do. So going back here. So here I have two screens. So here on my left screen I have over here I have the login site, and here I have my directions. So you must be on record as a parent or guardian of a student enrolled in SPS. I am. That's checked. Your email address must be on record at each student's school. I believe that is checked. Please make sure you have provided the same email address for each SPS student in your family. That could be a problem, so you gotta make sure you do that. Alright, to set up a source account, you must please visit ps.seattleschools.org and then click the setup button. And I'm over here, and I'm going to click the setup button. So please use the email address on record at your student's school. This will be your source username. I'm pretty sure mine is actually my Seattle Schools address, so I'm going to type that in. Enter. Now check your email for a message from source support at seattleschools.org. Alright, let's check my email to see if I have that. I have a new Seesaw. I wonder who did their work on Seesaw today. Oh, good for you. Who did? Oh, here we go. There is, to set up your password, please use the following link. This is only good for 24 hours. So I'm going to click on that. And there's my Rick Astley. I cut that, pasted for Mr. Capoose. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna let... Alright, so my username. Okay, so it should be my email address. Now I wonder if that will work because I am a parent, but I'm also a teacher of Seattle Schools, so that may not... Alright, I'm in there. Look, and there's my son Jacob. So, I'm in. Alright. Hopefully that's all you have to do. Good luck. Bye. Go Cougs.